So I stuck my probe down into the breast of the turkey, the chicken, and it said a little above 180. When I tested it, when I measured the temperature at the time that it was supposed to, which was an hour and 15 minutes, it was at 140. So I put it in for another 30 minutes. And now I'm at 185, which is 20 degrees above. So hopefully the beer can did its job in keeping everything moist. And then I have a layer of liquid smoke and then like all the juice can go down in there. So that's going to be good to make some gravy go with it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to eat it regardless. And this is the next step of beer can chicken for Thanksgiving. One time.